So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active, because you cannot watch ESPN network without having YouTube TV base plan first. So if you don't have the YouTube TV base plan yet, to buy it, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then on the networks of the YouTube TV, you want to click on it. And then you want to add YouTube TV base plan to your membership by paying for $60 per month, and you can get free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And after that, after you have the YouTube TV base plan, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you can just search for ESPN. And here on ESPN network, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down. On the live session, you can just see the ESPN channel or network. So you can see the live session and also the upcoming live session of ESPN. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch ESPN network on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.